This is a video on the Urban Garden Backpack Toolkit Gear Guide. I work in New York City. Oh, this is from the shoe review I just did. Check that out too. New Balance shoes and Superfeet. Yes, an extensive review on exactly what you need to be equipped for gardening in urban areas, particularly New York City and Brooklyn. We're going to break down this entire backpack, all the contents inside, and recommendations on each item. So stay tuned. This is AgX Presents Garden Products. So yeah, I suppose I'll just take them all out just to introduce them, then I'll go over each one individually in separate videos. This is a necessary item for planting, this little mini shovel, super cute D-handle. This is an essential item for cleanup. It's the most compact broom you ever did see, with a dustpan attached. And that fits in the computer side of this excellent backpack. This is the Jansport Odyssey 38. They have the model 39 is out now, but it has all the right pockets for everything. We've got rain shoes and rain gear. We've got a collapsible hose and nozzle. We've got trash bags. You're going to need lots of trash bags in the city to schlep things around and get rid of things and haul dirt through apartments and whatnot. And to do all that, in this other pocket, you'll need gloves. I've got glove recommendations, really cheap quality gloves. Little hospital booties to keep your feet clean, trudging through sterile apartments. And then all kinds of weather. We saw the rain gear. We also have sunscreen and hats. And then just to be prepared for anything, things you wouldn't think of, but if you're running around getting from client to client, you need a backup battery for your phone. You need to be able to be in contact. You need to have your Google Maps going and the cord to go with that, and then you might as well have a plug for when you're on job sites that have access to electricity. You don't have to be using up your battery, or if your battery runs out, you can recharge it. This one will actually last a couple of days. But if you forget to recharge it at night, it'll still have a charge for you, so it's a good size with the Anker battery. Let's see. We're just breaking this whole thing down preliminarily, and then we'll get into each product in separate videos. But I got so much in here, there's just stuck on the zipper. So you got your digging knife, essential tool for transplanting, bulb planting, root cutting, getting into pots where the plants are root bound. It's gardener's essential tool, lovely item that I use all the time. The other mainstay is your Felco pruners. There's other pruners, but they're not Felcos, and this has the nice sheath, so you're not poking into your bag or your fingers or other things. We got some irrigation parts, but that'll be a separate item. We got this nice hose, the collapsible garden hose, so it's not some big heavy rubber hose. It actually fits nicely into the backpack here. Well, you always want to have pens, a Sharpie, and just a ballpoint. Also a little screwdriver. It's kind of an irrigation thing. Get into that a lot, but I think irrigation will be probably a separate series from just the gardener's backpack, because not everybody's doing irrigation. But you'll still need things like a multi-tool. Very handy for irrigation, but you never know. And the things you get into gardening is the pliers. It's got a little saw. It's got a knife. It's got screwdriver blades. It's got, all the things that you never know you need until you do, and then there it is. So then the cutest tape measure you ever saw. I'll even put these up close so you can check them out. It's just a 10-footer, but it's not that huge or anything like big heavy ones, because it's in your backpack, so you want to try to keep the weight down any way you can. But for measuring pots and distances between planters, and if you're working off of a design, helping to place things, kind of if you're estimating a garden job. It's just, you never know if customer's going to ask you something. Let me whip out my tape measure. I am prepared. This is another irrigation tool, the cutest channel locks. We'll get into that later. Let's see what else we got in here. Lots of nice pockets and zippers. I think that's most of it. Yeah, that's most of it. You want to have a water bottle also, because yeah, you're going to be sweating and drinking a lot of water, working hard. So having a refillable water bottle is going to be essential. So yeah, I've got other tools here, variations on what I already showed you. The saw. You'll need a tree saw, because you'll get into various plants and woody items that need breaking down that your regular pruners can't handle. That's the basic essentials of the pack. Now we'll go into each one individually in AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. See you in the next video.